Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to 9u minus 11. Then we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have dz equal to 9 du. Because we don't have number 9 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 9. Now, we need to change this one into z. Du we change by dz over 9. So number 9 and z, you got about 1 over 63. The integration of z square, we have z to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. Now 63 and number 3 in here, we have 189. About z, that's about 9u minus 11. And this is the final answer. Question number 2, we use the same technique. Now, I need to put about t equal to az squared plus 5. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to number a. First, the derivative of z squared, you got about 2z dz. Because we don't have number 2 in here, and we don't have number 8 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 16. Now, this one, we change by t. z dz, we change by dt over 16. And I will put number 3 and number 16 in here. Now, the integration of t to the power of 7, we have about t to the power of 8 over 8. And we put about c in here. And then number 16 and number 8, we have 128. About t, that is about this one in here. And this is the final answer. Now, question number 3, we use the same. Now, we go to number 3. And this one, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I will put about u equals to number 13v. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to number 13 dv. And we have dz, I will put about e to the power of 25v dv. The integration of this one, we have z equals to e to the power of 25v over 25. Now, in this situation, I will use about u multiplied by z, and we have 13v e to the power of 25v over number 25. Now, the next one, we have the u multiplied by z. So we have the negative sign here. And we have the integration of e to the power of 25v, and we have dv. And now, the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 25v over 25, and we put about sin here, and this is the final answer. The next one, that's a question number 4. This one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to a y. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the t equal to a dy. Because we don't have a in here, so we need to divide both sides by a. So ay we change by t, dy we change by dt over a. So the integration of cosine t, we have about sine t, and we put about c. Now about t, that's about ay. And this is the final answer. Now we go to question number 5. We use the same integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to h to the power of 4. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 4h to the power of 3 dh. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So h to the power of 4 we change by u. H to the power of 3 dh we change by du over number 4. So we have 7 and number 4 we put in here. Now we need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about t equals to L and u. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the t equals to the u over u. dv we have du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So because we still have 7 over 4, we keep about 7 over 4 in here. We have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v, so u divided by u, they cancel. So the integration of the u, we have u. And I will put about c in here. About u, that's about h to the power of 4. Now, let's go to question number 6. We use the same. For this one, I need to put about u equals to e to the power of 3b minus 36. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Now, we need to change this one by u. E to the power of 3b db, we change by du over number 3. So we have m over 3, I will put in here. And this one I can write into u to the power of negative 1 over 3 du. This one we have u to the power of negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over negative 1 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have about 2 over 3, 2 over 3, and we put about c. Number 3 we cancel. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We can use the same. For this one, I will put about u equals to the square root of 13 minus r to the power of 3. We put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. This one, the square root, we change by u. R squared dr, we change by 2u du over negative number 3. So u and u, we have u squared. B I will put outside. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. Number 3 and number 3, you got about number 9. And this is the final answer in here. Now, let's go to this one. We need to put about this integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 81 plus 7 theta. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 7d theta. Because we don't have number 7 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 7. Now this one we change by u. D theta we change by du over number 7. So 45 with the square root of c over 7 we put outside. So this one you got about ln of the absolute value of u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer in here. Now let's go to the next one. We use the same. We need to use about t equal to secant of u to u over a. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have 1 over a secant of u over a tan u over a, and we have du. So number a we put on the left, and we just have this one in here, and this one is similar with this one, so we just change about a dt. The integration of dt, we have t about t, that is about this one. Now let's go to the last one. For this one, we can write into the square root of number 3. We put in outside, and we have cosecant of 15 beta d beta. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to 15 beta. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 15 d beta. Because we don't have number 15 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 15. So this one, we have cosecant of t dt, and we have number 15 we put in here. The integration of cosecant of t, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t minus, sorry, that's the positive, not minus, cotang t, and we put about c. Now about t in here, we need to change into this one. And this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.